Hello, I am Mr. M from GIS4Dev. In this video, I will explain you step by step how to add multiple destinations in Google Maps. Example, I would like to travel in European such as Ireland, Scotland, and Italy. Firstly, I type Atlantic Way, Ireland into search box and then enter. Google Maps will bring you to this place. And then I click direction. Next step, you must type the starting point. I type North Coast 500 Scotland and then enter. Google Maps will display routing. If you want to add more destination, click this button. In this example, I type Amalfi Coast, Italy. You can reorder the destination by drag and drop like this. Now I have to go. Don't forget, comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ